Ooh, that sugar sweet. You got what I need.
For the past few years, tons of wonderful cube effects are brought into the market. These routines are now stable in your working repertoire. But can we think out of the box and introduce a totally new cube effect? Enter Tornado Cube. About a year ago, Dmitriy Polyakov from Uzbekistan showed me an effect I want to achieve for many years. We worked together, refined all the details, and brought it into reality. Yet another fantastic addition to our amazing catalog of cube magic. You can now combine it with other existing cube routines. It's a practical system that you can install in your Audi cubes. You can hand out the cube both before and after the effect. Tornado Cube is incredibly fidgeting, yet magical in its own way. To add a little twist in your cube magic, make sure you get your hands on Tornado Cube.